Welcome to Inc. Finance. Today's spotlight is on the Token Governed DAO model, a crucial part of Inc.'s dual infrastructure designed for varied DAO governance needs. Inc. Finance is the foundational infrastructure and blueprint for creating distinctive DAOs, representing organizational diversity, much like in real-world cities. Think of Inc.'s DAO governance models as a guiding city council for various DAOs. These models allow DAOs to govern through governance tokens and/or badges according to the needs of their ecosystem, thereby balancing the financial stakes of DAO token holders with the valued contributions acknowledged through badges. With the Token Governed DAO model prioritizing staking and the no token model centered on badges, each type of governance model offers a unique route for active and secure participation in governance, reflecting the dynamic governance needs of various communities. In our previous video, we explained the advantages of the no token governance DAO. In this video, we dive deep into its counterpart, the Token Governed DAO. Inc.'s Token Governed DAO model emphasizes active participation through badge distribution and token staking. It's grounded on a pledge-based mechanism and empowers token holders to make significant project decisions collaboratively, which empowers a DAO to develop by fostering incentives, stakeholder engagement, economic flow, robust governance, network security, and market activity enhancements. Inc.'s Token Governed DAO offers a flexible and efficient governance mechanism that encourages active community participation and ensures a harmonious balance of fairness and inclusive representation. Let's explore Inc.'s Token Governed DAO model together. How to create a Token Governed DAO. Connect your wallet to testnet. Click Next. Click DAO Manager. Create new DAO. Name your DAO and consider adding a logo. Create a new staking engine or share in an existing staking engine pool. Share existing means sharing an existing staking engine within an existing DAO, which effectively makes your DAO a sub-DAO of that meta-DAO. And note that sometimes you need permission by way of credential token in order to become a sub-DAO in a meta-DAO ecosystem. On the other hand, Create New allows you to establish your own individual DAO. Click Use Governance Token and Create New. Enter the government token contract address. Enter the number of emission tokens and years of emission. Click Require Credential Token for sub-DAO creation. A sub-DAO usually shares in the meta-DAO pledge pool managed by the meta-DAO's organizational staking structure. This option shares resources in the meta-DAO, promoting collaborative efforts and optimization. Shared pledge pools are ideal for creators who wish to facilitate organizational management and collaboration amongst the meta and sub-DAOs. However, note that meta-DAOs might set credential tokens for permissioned entry into its economic system, meaning only those holding credential tokens can share in the meta-DAO pledge pool and create sub-DAOs. Enter the credential token name and the credential token amount. To become a DAO manager, social media verification is required. Verify via Twitter or YouTube. Click Next Step. Once you are done with your DAO's basic settings, in the DAO configuration, navigate to Set Board Members for your DAO. The DAO manager is one of the board members. Board members and DAO managers have the same rights and responsibilities, such as initiating and voting on proposals. The number of board members can be set entirely based on the DAO's needs. Let's set up your board. Enter the DAO administrator's or DAO manager's wallet address. Next, add your board members' wallet addresses. Voting modes. In governance rules, Inc. provides DAOs with flexibility when initiating proposals through 3 voting modes. First, public and board. A proposal under this scheme goes through 2 rounds of voting. One round is public voting and the other is board voting. A proposal is only approved if it is passed through both rounds of voting. Next, board only. Under this scheme, only the board of directors can vote on proposals. The proposal is approved as long as it passes the voting rate. Third, public only. This means that everyone can participate in voting on proposals. In the token governance model, all users who have staked tokens have the right to vote. Next, Manager's Pledge. Once you have decided on a voting mode, we go to the Manager's Pledge. This refers to how many tokens are needed to stake to be the manager of the DAO. By mandating a pledge of a minimum number of DAO tokens, this requirement ensures that the DAO manager interests are closely aligned with those of the DAO, thereby enhancing the manager's trustworthiness and credibility in the governance structure. Now that the DAO manager's pledge is set, let's move on to the minimum and maximum individual votes. Minimum individual votes refers to the minimum number of votes required for a single wallet, while maximum individual votes refers to the limit on the number of votes a single individual wallet can cast, thereby preventing individuals with large holdings or whales from wielding disproportionate influence on proposals to be voted on. These two item settings ensure fairness and maximum participation in proposal voting. Finally, we conclude with a requirement for a minimum number of public voting wallet addresses needed to vote on proposals. This setting fosters a more decentralized proposal process and ensures maximum representation and participation, enhancing overall governance, fairness, and inclusivity. Click Create DAO and voila! Congratulations! You have created your Token Governed DAO. The benefits of Ink's Token Governed DAO. Token and no token governed DAO models are much like governance structures in real-world cities, whether driven by tokens and badges or badges only. Each model is tailored to meet the preferences and needs of different organizations in their governance processes. The token governance model is pivotal for the expansion of Ink's ecosystem, fostering active participation, secure governance, increased market activity, and decentralized stakeholder engagement. This model, grounded in pledges, empowers token holders to make significant project decisions for their DAOs collaboratively. It plays a vital role in promoting DAO incentives, enhancing the economic flow, and strengthening robust project governance while improving network security, participation from token holders, liquidity, and market activity. This concerted approach supports DAOs in efficiently realizing their visions through effective governance. Thank you for joining this Token Governed DAO walkthrough. We are excited to see your DAO thrive and flourish in Ink Finance. Let's shape the future of DAOs and Web3 together.